Bijoy Shetty. Woohoo! If people don't know, Big Dog is directed by Mr. Bijoy Shetty.
मेरे को लगा नहीं बात करने वाला मैं उसके बारे में.
Like, how is this relation with you and Hanuman?
अरे he's one of my closest friends, bro. When you're talking about relationship with him, why do I keep working with him? Because he lets me do what the fuck I want.
How did you come with this weird idea of doing मौत का कुआं?
Half of these hip hop videos, what do they do? गाड़ी के ऊपर बैठा ये उड़ाया, ये किया. Usually क्या कैसे म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाते हैं? कुछ भी ऐसा 15 मिनट कैमरा रख दिया, शूट कर दिया. नेक्स्ट लोकेशन 15 मिनट कैमरा रख दिया, शूट कर लिया, इंटरकट करके डाल लिया. What is this cutting nonsense? कुछ तो नया बना हो ना. What the fuck is this shit, bro? Like literally, Big Dogs also took 60 hours of straight sitting.
हेलो गाइस. हेलो. आज के हमारे गेस्ट बहुत ही स्पेशल है. स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम बैंगलोर.
नहीं, मैं बॉम्बे में रहता हूँ भाई.
अरे यार,
ये क्या है? ये दूसरा
बैंगलोर-
पॉडकास्ट है जहाँ पे मेरे को बैंगलोर का बना दिया है.
मुझे किसी ने बोला बैंगलोर का?
नहीं, बॉम्बे का हूँ.
या प्योर बॉम्बे.
और बॉम्बे
So
एक
I-
साल रहा हो बस. साउथ इंडियन आर्टिस्ट लोग के साथ काम करता है, इसको तुमको
But
लगता
by the way,
होगा.
give let me at least introduce your name. Go back. हाँ. Bijoy Shetty. Woohoo!
हो गया, बोल आगे बोल.
हाँ पर क्या करता है? What do you do, Bijoy?
अरे यार ये पैनिक की क्वेश्चन है. मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम.
He does music videos. If people don't know, Big Dog is directed by Mr. Bijoy Shetty.
मेरे को लगा नहीं बात करने वाले हम लोग उसके बारे में.
हम लोग ने बोला था ना हम बात करने वाले.
पक्का.
But why? How did you come with this weird idea of doing मौत का कुआं?
सो बेसिकली सूरज के पहली बार तो बिग डॉग्स को दूसरा आइडिया था.
हाँ.
It was a completely different idea. Full hip hop, like गाड़ी के ऊपर. He said, I want cars, I want money in it, and I want like he asked for certain very cliche hip hop things.
Basically, the original idea
हाँ.
of the
Most
cliched
fucking,
ideas
हाँ,
of
ऐसा,
original.
you know, like proper
Gun.
yeah.
Yeah.
Then eventually I was like, what is the point? ये बहुत saturated stuff है. And then while I was listening to the song, the sound sounded like a documentary I had seen. Like वो एकदम स्लोमो वाला वेल ऑफ डेथ का एक ऐसा कुछ वीडियोस डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज रहने का ना,
हाँ.
जहाँ पे ऐसा धीरे से चलाता है, मैं मौत के साथ खेलता हूँ वाला टाइप का डॉक्यूमेंट.
monologue.
हाँ प्रॉपर मोनोलॉग वाला. तो वो देखा है ना, I heard the sound and it sounded a lot like the sample of Big
Damn.
Dogs. So I was just like, this makes sense to use this setup, and I have never seen a hip hop video done there. So it is the perfect to be like the first one to do it.
Interesting. But does Hanuman kind also give his inputs while
वो
doing
देता है
this?
ना, वो देता है, मैं बस मना करता हूँ.
Constant.
Constantly, but I know not going to happen. This will not work.
So, but like, what's your process when it comes to doing a music video? Like, everybody must have seen or came across at least one of your music videos, because still I don't know, you are tagged as the underrated. I feel you are not the underrated. You are the top tier of music videos right now in India.
मैं इसको बोला compliment नहीं करने का, फिर भी करता है, but ठीक है.
ठीक है, let's go back to not being great.
Yeah,
You're- you do music videos, so what's the process like? How do you come? Just it's the idea which clicks, or there's a process to coming to an idea?
It just comes, yeah. Different processes, different projects. It is not like a वैसा थोड़ा ना ढूंढ के ऐसा भाई यही करो तुमको आइडिया मिल जाएगा भाई. मतलब it comes in different forms. I feel like right now I'm so tired of answering that question because I'm just like कैसे बोलूँ यार. I also don't know how it happens. It just happens, and when it does, it just happens. You're just like, okay, कैसे किया, क्यों किया, कब किया, खत्म हो गया, and then you're like, how the fuck did I make it?
But that's great, right? I think सबके कीड़े वही है. कुछ ना कुछ तो लोग सोचते हैं और कुछ कर देते हैं.
Yeah.
But fun यार. मतलब this is not your first music video with Hanuman kind.
नहीं 6 किए, 7 किए.
You have lost track. I get it.
Yeah. काफी
But-
सारे.
Like, how is this relation with you and Hanuman?
Arey, he's one of my closest friends, bro. So basically, Suraj is one of my closest friends, bro. Like, so it's inherently it was there. I met him like just out of the fact that I wanted to hang out with him. I'd never met him with the intention of making videos for him. जब फिर उसने मेरे को बोला कि he had a particular approach to how he wanted to make music and where he wanted to reach, I had to do it because he was there for me during a very dark time of my life.
Oh, dude.
So he was there, and I decided that I should also do that to its maximum extent because I had to.
Yeah.
And there's no other way to go about it because he's one of my closest friends in general. So
But the most the question I was going to was not knowing that आप दोनों का रिश्ता कितना अच्छा है, but the relation with a person who is a creative mind and the artist, their relationship should be very transparent. People don't build it right now. People just want to hop with one project to another with another artist. What I see between you and Hanuman kind is a relation.
Yeah,
to work
definitely,
for a
हाँ.
larger thing. It's not just to do कि आज एक music video करूँगा कल मैं कहीं और इसको एक portfolio में add नहीं करने के लिए. You don't do that. I've seen your work. You don't do work to add in your portfolio.
Yeah, never. I feel like a portfolio, like people's attention is more better than portfolios, because ultimately that is our currency as artists, right? To sort of like nobody gives a fuck. Eventually, none of us give a fuck about this. We as artists have to try and make them give a fuck.
True.
Like that is the intention. And Suraj ke sath wahi hai. When you're talking about a relationship with him, why do I keep working with him? Because he lets me do what the fuck I want.
That's the most
And-
expensive
And
currency.
he believes in me, and I trust him, and he trusts me. So it just, there's no other question about it. Like if somebody is giving me the opportunity to work freely in that position, I'm gonna do it. Like I have collaborators like that a lot. Like Sanjit is there, Bhavya Ramesh Jewelry is there.
I love that.
Yeah,
campaign.
and then even Suraj is there. So there are a lot of people who, if I have a relationship with, I give more, and if I don't have, then you can see it in the work also. It's less. If I'm not happy with whatever is happening, I of course I'm stressed majority of time on like sets, but like if I'm not happy with who I'm working with, then it ultimately shows also.
But I feel you would be most stressed while you're in the post-production phase.
Yeah, I spend too much time on it.
I still remember chasing you when you were doing some post for, I guess it was post project of the King intro or before it.
Huh.
I remember trying to catch hold of you on call. It was the
yeah,
most
yeah.
difficult time of my
No,
life.
I just closed myself. Like literally, Big Dogs also took 60 hours of straight sitting. 60 hours. We sat straight for 4 days. Me, Mehran, the chief editor, and Shatterdome.
Damn.
Shatterdome was in the hall in my house. He was working on the 3D, trying छोटू सा एकदम डब्बा वाला कंप्यूटर में काम, हाँ डब्बा वाला कंप्यूटर में ट्राई कर रहा है, बिकॉज पीसी हम लोग इधर ला नहीं सकते, तो उस पर काम चालू है. मैं और मेहरान अपना लैपटॉप में अंदर बैठ के वी आर लिटरली फॉलिंग asleep while doing it.
Was it a closed deadline or
No, I just wanted, see,
to wrap it?
it got pushed. So I said I have more time to work on it. So I'm like, ठीक है और बैठेंगे, let's figure out whatever, because I still felt it was quite weak when I was working on Big Dogs. Like I was like कि वो feel नहीं आ रहा गाड़ी में करके. मतलब the impact of the fact that he's sitting in the car is not there, which is sort of true right now. Also feel that, but it works because nobody's seen that happen. So already
It's
they're
something
mesmerized.
new, right?
Yeah.
You're not doing a love story which has to be something different. It's already very different.
वो ट्राई किया मैंने, बहुत गंदा किया मैंने.
Love story?
हाँ.
किसके लिए किया?
बिकॉज मेरे को मालूम, मैं बोलूंगा भी नहीं, बट लाइक मेरे को इमोशन समझ नहीं आता है यार. like love is such a shitty emotion to show on film. It's just like one person who does it well is that Shakun Batra. He does it really well because he shows the chaos and the dirtiness of a relationship. यहाँ पे like every single film, romantic film, you'll start with just the fact that कैसे उभर रहा है प्यार, उसके बाद कैसा लगता है, उसका कुछ नहीं बात करना किसी को.
What happened post is not.
हाँ,
उसके बाद जो होता है उसके किसी को लेना
नहीं,
देना
एक कॉन्फ्लिक्ट दिखाएगा उन लोग, फिर बाद में वापस गले मिलके एयरपोर्ट पे या फिर किधर तो रास्ते पे खड़े रहेंगे उन लोग.
But कौन सा है सबसे, since you said कि you wanted to wrap it in 60 hours, or you must have a commitment. What is this? कौन सा सबसे एक प्रोजेक्ट है जो सबसे लंबा चला था?
GTS, both like it took 5 months.
What?
5 months to edit because my editor kept like pushing back. 5 months, 4 months. It took 4 months to cut because the shots were quite still.
Mm-hmm.
So I had to create movement in post. So
Heavy on post then.
मतलब post में I had to create camera movement so that it feels a little bit more energetic. A lot of keyframing was there and a lot of like bad communication with my post producers. So it took a lot of time to like finish that off. Yeah.
But I've seen you don't have a consistent post production unit.
I don't work with one
You
person.
don't have a particular one, but your director's team is usually the same people.
Not really. Not anymore.
Not
It
right
does.
now.
Only my leads will be the same because I trust them and they are the ones communicating. मेरा सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम वही है, मैं कम्युनिकेट ढंग से कर नहीं पाता. तो वन तेरे को मालूम है. He knows, but yeah. So I need one person who will do that for me. Usually it's right now it's Siri, a friend of mine, but she's also leaving for Prague now. उसको Prague Film School में admission मिल गया तो निकल रही है वो. But now
But
I
have you
have to
done
find.
education?
No, I've never studied.
Then how did this Kida doing music video direction emerged?
अरे यार.
मुंबई में रह के इसकी वजह से
नहीं
या
रे.
but what I've heard is you're a dancer also.
हाँ, मैं डांस करने का पहले.
हाँ.
And then I became an editor, and then I became a DOP, then I became a director.
Oh dude.
I used to make like these 1 minute videos on Instagram, time pass ke liye, just because I felt like, and it was something that I like documenting. I like to go back 1 year before and just be like, what the fuck was I doing this year? So I used to make one video every day back in the day, and then eventually that started like I started making money out of it because I was like, Grazia ने बुला दिया, बोला fashion film बना दो, या फिर किसी और ने बुला दिया, ये कर दो, वो कर दो, wedding के लिए कर दो. So I started making money out of it. So I was like,
Happy in the zone.
this is interesting. Then eventually I was very musically driven only from the start. All my videos were music dependent, music made, music curated.
Correct.
Then eventually I was like, why don't I make this my job? Why don't I just make music videos? And I found the right artists that I want to work with, like Suraj, Sanjit, all these artists that I liked working with. So now I am working with them. Now I have reached a point where I'm running sets and I'm just like, मैं छोटा A7S3 लेके घूमने का इधर क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? Do I need to be here? Do I belong here? अभी भी मेरे को वही हो रहा है. ये मेरे को क्यों इंटरव्यू कर रहा है? इसको क्या है?
You have worked with a lot of artists. I have seen your whole set of work.
हाँ.
कभी directly कभी कोई brand ने या label ने approach किया?
Every time.
And
Every
you,
other time.
do you feel it's different?
Like with the way they approach.
Yeah.
It's weird because it's just like, yo, I have this guy, you know. I'm just like, what? Like, what? Label लोग ऐसी बात करता है ना, मतलब like कि like मेरा एक बंदा है bro. I'm like, like वो बंदे को बोला कॉल करने को मैं बात करता है. Like, but it is always so like उससे दूर रहो, मैं बात करता हूँ, sort of feel.
They don't let you touch the
Yeah,
artist.
because musicians don't give a fuck about their music videos.
Actually, I'll tell you for a fun fact, it's happened to me a lot of times that the artist has never given his thought or even a single note. The basic brief is a clean canvas. You can paint the wall.
And the thing is, they get budgets, which is annoying me.
Oh,
हम लोग इधर बैठ के भीख मांग के पैसा कमाते हैं.
but still you are struggling with the budget thing.
No, not really, but like some artists that I have, like I have to fight for the money, right? Or like
Correct.
my producers have to fight for the money. Like a lot of the projects, like I have few people who literally go run around, look for money so that we can still execute the ideas because our videos push. It's the non-verbal marketing that we're doing, right?
True.
वो video itself should be energized and powerful enough for it to be, for let people naturally share it. That we don't need to think about it. We don't need to push any reaction channel or put fake views or put all this bullshit.
The content amplification.
Yeah, you
and
don't need
all
to do
stuff.
that. The idea is doing that. The people are driving it forward. There's nothing like that's the best way to go about it. Otherwise, what is the fucking point of you making things? If you're trying to get fake engagement, then it's pathetic. It's like you trying to show the world that you are something, but you have your ideas are extremely
Bullshit.
fragile and like so predictable the way you approach it. Like I'm also guilty of it. It's not like I'm not. मैं भी कर चुका हूँ मेरा म्यूजिक वीडियोस पर आफ्टर सर्टेन पॉइंट लोग सीरियसली लेना बंद कर देगा यार कि मतलब इतना सैचुरेशन अभी म्यूजिक वीडियोस में क्या क्या फक ऑल नॉनसेंस दे मेक एंड दे गेट बाय इट आल्सो the people just create it and they are happy with it. I can see people proud of it.
Showing
I'm
off
just
the
like,
numbers. which
yeah,
are
showing
fake.
off the numbers. You're like, you're not pushing it in any direction. You're trying to be white or black. Where is the brown in your work? Half of these hip hop videos, what do they do? गाड़ी के ऊपर बैठा ये उड़ाया ये किया या फिर औरत को उधर खड़ा करा दिया और बोलता हाँ देखो ये मेरी औरत है या फिर कुछ और ऐसा weird like why
But
can't
don't you think we are guilty of following the Western culture and not creating something original of our own?
No, just make. It's not like don't follow it, but give it some identity. Like I follow Western culture. I am influenced by it.
You have an article of Western culture in your ideas, but it's very Indian self.
No, it's about understanding. See, for example, black culture,
Huh.
right? It has dominated the creative industry. In the last, when it comes to music, every possible industry, it has done it. Now there has been recent uprising of the Asians by making films like Everything Everywhere All at Once, Crazy Rich Asians. They are doing it. Why is there? What is Monkey Man going to do for us? What is like? It's cool. It's lovely to see. Actually, I loved watching it. But
Yeah.
at the same time, there is like Parasite जैसे फिल्में लोग देख रहे हैं और हम लोग इधर बैठ के हम लोग क्या I don't even want to say the films because पैसा चाहिए मेरे को बाद में. But you know what I mean? Like it's sort of pathetic that we have not realized that we have an untapped market. We have never been represented. Like if you see those comments on Big Dogs, Curry Boy, Curry Mankind, I'm so sure I know what this smells like. Why are white people talking about us like this? Why do they need to? Like हम लोग जब like majority of my friends who have gone out abroad to study, they feel so isolated half of the time. 100%. They feel like they're like treated like shit still.
They do.
Like we sort of take it for granted. We have our own communal problems also. But at a surface level, our people are seen as like, what do you see? Call center se nikal gaya tu. What is these comments on my video? Like, finally, our boy has gotten out of the call center or gotten out of this bullshit. What is this? What do you think of us?
That's so
You know?
wrong to how to evaluate people.
है वो.
गलत है बे.
Like, like, for example, as a kid, I remember I would be around white people. I would go and sit, and I would feel smaller automatically because it's in our fucking DNA ना. Colonization हमारे DNA में घुसा हुआ है कि गोरे लोग बाजू में खड़े तो हम लोग हाँ ऐसा, हाँ सर जी क्या आपको खाना है, बिरयानी, बटर चिकन.
But right now, I feel that's changing. Don't you think it's changing?
It is, I hope it does, because it's scary now. Because if you are not able to, like, as a culture, if you are not able to uplift, of course, not just over here, on a global scale, that's why I feel Suraj is the guy for me. He has the power of language, which is English, which is a universal language, which I maybe can push in terms of like simple, like creative ideas, cultural ideas, which will sort of give us our identity, but be on a global scale and be like, this is what we are. We are present here, you can see us, you can witness us, and we are Indians.
True.
Half of the time वो comments भी और भी पढ़, उसमें बोलते क्या बोलते हैं उन लोग, didn't expect this. Why didn't you expect it? What is wrong with expecting a good Indian song? Why is that a problem?
It's not. It's not the first time there's a great Indian song.
No,
There have
but
been
like
a
for
lot.
them, that's what they haven't identified. We haven't reached there.
That's true.
They haven't consumed all the rest of the shit. That's why they are like looking at this one piece of shit, which is communicating through language and going like, what the fuck is this?
What's this flow?
Oh,
ये
bro.
flow कैसे किया भाई?
ये
ये
कैसे
क्या
किया?
डाला? ये क्या
हाँ.
कैसे कर दिया?
But at the same
इनको
time,
आता है ये सब.
हाँ.
उनके लिए शॉकिंग है ना.
उनके लिए दिमाग में वही है ना कि, but at the same time, it's nice because Suraj is the guy who will do it.
Powerful.
Suraj is the guy who has the power of language, will be able to communicate a larger scale of people. And I know, like, if you take someone like, for example, our top 3 hip hop DHH people,
Correct.
which are Hindi musicians. Majority of times, their technical aspects or the label's technical aspects would be, oh, let's do a feature with these guys. They can shift audiences.
the
and all
audience.
that. But that
Correct.
doesn't work. That doesn't work. If you want to represent a particular thing, you have to tap into language also. You have to understand what your global market is, because already the Western market is considered as a superior market every time.
100%.
Whether it comes to music, film, whatever it might be, it is of course superior and culturally. And why is that there? Because we ourselves shit on ourselves and make sure our work is going into a direction which is pathetic.
And do you feel in a certain way that the kind of music we have in our country, like from regional to state-wise, right? Like there's Punjabi music, hip hop, there's Mumbai hip hop, Delhi hip hop, then there's a lot of hip hops in regional. Do you see कि कौन से जगह का रैप सबसे ज़्यादा effective है जो global जाने के लिए
South.
सबसे easy है?
South India, 100%.
And why?
I feel like it is so culturally rooted. They take advantage of their instruments. They have more identity. Their videos, their everything.
One more
Films से
सूरज
लेके
का एक और गाना था आईआईओ था.
हाँ, वो भी है. But at the same time, it's just about the fact that they have, the South Indians take their, of course, props to the North Indians. They have their audiences. They have their strong. The Punjabi culture is just the most dominant in music, and they have their my respects for sure. But when it comes to musicality and untapped markets, I feel like South India holds an array of musicians that are possibly
anyhow abhi in last 3 years we have seen the whole South Indian industry coming and making it to
It
masses.
has always been there, to be honest.
Yeah.
All your Priyadarshini films are South Indian films.
Of course.
All your Hera Fairy se leke everything is a South Indian film. We have our Mumbaikars are very nice. They are just like take every idea and make it their own and be like, this is an original idea. But we are like South Indians have been doing this for a bit, and it's always been tumhara Dabang se leke everything is a remake.
100%.
Just remember that much. Like in the core, the people of course are doing those things. They are culture boundings, but that idea is coming from something very pure. That's coming from a very, very beautiful place because they genuinely really look after their work and care about their work. And I grew up on those films. That's the thing that annoyed the fuck out of me. I was a big Dabang fan. I was a big Rowdy Rathod fan. And then I realized this is a South Indian film. But
You didn't know?
I didn't know because I used to watch याद है वो डब वब आने का वो सब देख लेंगे हम लोग. But मैं तो बहुत बड़ा बॉलीवुड फैन था. मेरे को ऐसा ये सब shit was my shit dude. Like वो स्लोमो में ऐसा गाड़ी से निकला ऐसा फुल ऐसा अराइव किया इधर उधर देखा चश्मा पहना मेरा तो पागल होने का मैं. मुझे लगा fuck ये क्या हो रहा है.
बाद में पता चला सब साउथ के मूवी से
तो
सब.
क्या हम लोग देखते कोई समझ ना रहा है कि अभी रिसेंटली क्या हो रहा है. फिल्मों में म्यूजिक कम है क्योंकि इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक ग्रो हो गया. तो देखेगा अभी पहले तो हर 2 मिनट में ऐसा एक साड़ी के साथ एक म्यूजिक वीडियो रहने का.
Correct.
Now it is just like they've segregated because independent music has thrived and that is more profitable. But at the same time, what was profitable to the previous apna industry was the fact that the movie is a marketing tool for the song. Now it's become a music video which they don't want to spend a lot of money at.
Yeah,
They want to be like,
they've chopped the legs of music
मतलब
videos
like
का budget पूरा.
other time क्या रहता है तुम्हारा. I'll tell you 3 kinds of artists that are in India. The soft, especially internationally approach,
Categories.
दिमाग में लगा के तुम्हारा सॉफ्ट गर्ल. हाँ, तुम्हारा एकदम शांत वाला एकदम गिटार बजा के यूकेलेली बजाती है वो वाली औरत रहती है. ठीक है, तुम्हारा सूरज जैसा हिप हॉपर फुल एकदम एग्रेसिव होके आ गया. और अपना एक गोल्डन ऐसा एकदम सुनहरा आँख वाला ब्यूटीफुल बॉय रहेगा एक जो पॉप गाना नचाएगा सबको पीछे एक सूट पहन के. तो these are your 3 kinds of international artists that you see consistently
Correct.
throughout genres. तुम लोग कभी बोलेगा नहीं, पर सूरज को मैंने जानबूझ के बोला मुच्छी होगा, बोला अलग दिखने का है बस, उतना ही काम. You should not look like a rapper only. मैंने उसको लिटरली वही बोला कि भाई if you look like a rapper what's the fucking point. उसको मैंने बोला, मेरे साथ झगड़ा हुआ उसका बहुत बड़ा, बोला कि I want to look into camera bro, मेरे को कैमरा में देखने का है. बोला नो, तू जैसे रहेगा हिप हॉप वीडियो बन जाएगा. तू जैसे ही कैमरा को देख के ऐसा ऐसा करेगा ना, then people will take you that less seriously. इमीडिएटली दिल में क्या कर रहा है तू, बस चिल कर. लाइक वो तू गाड़ी में भी रह के ऐसा कर ले, लेकिन कैमरा में कभी देख मत. फिर एक बार देखा उसने, बोला ठीक है ले यार. बट मेरे को
आर्टिस्ट की भी खुशी थोड़ी
हाँ,
रखनी चाहिए.
हाँ, मैंने कर लिया वो. बट दैट्स ट्रू बिकॉज यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ अ हिप हॉप वीडियो वर्क्स. एक ट्रोप रहता है, मत करो फॉलो, खुद को फोर्स करो, नहीं करने का है मेरे को, कुछ तो नया बनाओ ना. व्हाट द फक इज दिस शिट ब्रो. लाइक कितना देखेगा सर, लोग पागल हो जाएंगे. लाइक एंटरटेन दीज पीपल. वी आर जोकर्स इन द एंड, वी आर पैथेटिक. हम लोग नाचते हैं लोगों के लिए, हम लोग का काम वो है. अच्छे से तो नाचो, ऐसा 2-3 स्टेप मार के क्यों निकल रहे हो तुम लोग.
बट यार कुछ अपना करने के लिए, कुछ अलग करने के लिए, जो द थिंग वन देयर मस्ट बी सम आइडिया दैट यू वांट दैट थिंग टू हैपन. वो कैसे कर सकता है कोई इंसान? बिकॉज तूने अभी तक जो भी किया ना,
मेरे को भी नहीं मालूम कैसे कर सकते, लेकिन हो गया ना ये वाला. दिमाग में था, कर लिया. मेरे को कुछ नहीं दिमाग में. वी डिडंट प्रेप. वन डे बिफोर वी गॉट लोकेशन वी वेंट शॉट एंड लेफ्ट.
व्हाट आर यू सेइंग?
या वन डे का शूट है.
हाँ,
It's shot in one day. Yeah.
But what was the prep time?
कुछ नहीं, एक हफ्ता. I changed the idea. I'm telling you now. I was supposed to shoot something else. Then I changed the idea. Then 1 week, my producers, really good producers, Brown Crew Production.
Yeah.
They went and found Brown Crew Production. They found my location. They found my riders. I went and spoke to them. One day, prep I did. Next day, I shot. 1 month later, edit is done and out.
Damn. I thought it took a lot of time for the pre-production.
No, bro. On the spot. My pre-production is 1 day. I go and shoot the video on a phone. I'll edit it then after that, रात को. So I'll fake the movements and I'll take the shots. I'll storyboard on so I understand the flow. Because usually क्या कैसे म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाते हैं, कुछ भी ऐसा 15 मिनट कैमरा रख दिया, शूट कर दिया, नेक्स्ट लोकेशन, 15 मिनट कैमरा रख दिया, शूट कर लिया, इंटरकट करके डाल लिया. व्हाट इज दिस कटिंग नॉनसेंस. लाइक थोड़ा तो वेरिएशन ला, एंटरटेन पीपल हु आर वाचिंग इट. लाइक why is it that you cannot bring out personality in like music videos?
But I've seen quite a quirk in your music videos, like in your direction, your thought. Like it's set in a certain way, or you consume a certain content. Where is this learning coming from? Because
idea.
you're not a student of some school. You're not gone to Prague or anywhere. You have learned it your own way. किधर से ये मतलब क्या है, inspiration क्या है?
It's lot of things I consume, something that excites me at that particular point. I'll look at it and I'll be like, this is interesting. Why I feel it's interesting, I'll justify it. I don't want to just copy it. Why does it make sense in a particular scene? Then I'll be like, okay, it makes sense, but I want to make it my own. Every single time I'm inspired by anything, first question is, how do I make it my own? How do I make it unique enough that people are not like, ये देखा हुआ है, वो कैसे करूँ मैं?
Interesting. Like whenever you see something, you try to scratch it out in your own way.
पहले बात तो first thing पहले हुआ है क्या, किसी ने किया है क्या, किया है, fuck this,
नहीं देखेगा,
नहीं करने का. Immediately, that's the first step to be like, okay, individuality है.
How do you manage all these ideas? Do you like, if I have to understand tool, तो laptop लेके iPad लेके what क्या करता है?
Idea लिखने के लिए?
हाँ, मतलब फटफट do you?
No, I sit with my ADs. So
नहीं, but when you're consuming content randomly, like on a phone or anything, उस समय तुझे कुछ ऐसे चमक जाता है. If you think, yeah, oh fuck, this is something which nobody has done.
You zone out. You zone out when it's happening. When you get an idea and you start thinking about it, you completely zone out. Because you're just like, okay, fuck, this will happen. Then of course, इसके बाद ये होना चाहिए. हाँ, उसके बाद ये होना चाहिए. Then this happens. देन गाना सुनते हैं, हाँ दिस इज द स्लो पार्ट, स्लो मो कर देंगे इधर, ठीक है फाइन, दिस वर्क्स, देन हाउ डू वी गो फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट सीक्वेंस, ये ऐसा स्पीड है, इधर बीच में कोई साउंड है, लेट्स फिगर दैट आउट. सो मेरा यूजुअली क्या रहता है, हाउ डू आई डू इट, व्हेनेवर आई एम ट्रैवलिंग इन रिक्शा राइट,
Yeah.
मैं हेडफोन लगाता है एंड आई लुक अराउंड, कोई दरवाजा बंद किया तो वो बीट पे बंद कर रहा है, या फिर वो आई ट्राई टू सिंक अप साउंड लाइक दैट एवरीवेयर. तो वो प्रैक्टिस रहता है डेली मेरा,
हाँ.
कि मैं रिक्शा में बैठेगा, गाना प्ले करेगा एंड आई जस्ट लुक अराउंड एंड सिंक अप द साउंड. लाइन पे कुछ ऐसा जमीन का लाइन चालू है तो आई लुक एट दैट, पेस इट अप, थिंक हाउ, अगर किधर देखूंगा तो पेस मैच हो रहा है, पीछे देखेगा तो फास्ट जा रहा है, इधर देखेगा तो स्लो जा रहा है, यहाँ से गाड़ी का वो ब्लिंकर पेस में टेम्पो पे चल रहा है, वहाँ पे सिग्नल का, यहाँ इसका दो गाड़ी सिंध के ऊपर से गया, वैसा I'm thinking
That's the
sonically.
thought process of
That's the practice every other day to be like now that is implemented into scenes then. So तू देखेगा कुछ भी हो, चाहे वो ऐसा snap वाला sound हो जहाँ पे स्लोमो में जाता है वो,
Correct.
तो वो है because of the training of sonic and visual, like how people do it. अगर ये physical चीज है, ये कैसा टाइप का sound बनाएगा, चाहे वो sound actual बने या ना.
हाँ.
How does it, अगर ये ऐसा घूम रहा है तो चेन का आवाज ऐसा कुछ तो फीलिंग है, या फिर ऐसा घूम रहा है तो पत्थर का आवाज रहेगा. So like that sort of approach to understand like what kind of sound feels, what kind of movement feels like a sound. Then you can juxtapose those things into your film and then it flows seamlessly. Everything has a purpose then. The way the camera shifts, the way the camera moves ahead, back. Why is it moving on a synth? Is it moving on the bass? What is the dominant sound in that particular point? Why does it make sense? All those things, वो दिमाग में process वैसा रहता है.
Practice है.
Practice है. It's like
Fuck. Legendary dude.
it's like constantly listening to music. Music is like the, मेरे लिए मैं बोला ना मैं डांसर था.
हाँ हाँ.
So when I used to dance, I just knew that a particular pace is there. You move a particular way to give the best experience of the sound to an audience. The same way in edit happens ना. तुम अगर images को एक तरीके से move करोगे तो तुमको उतना ही लोगों को satisfaction मिलेगा in terms of how exactly it's going through the sound. Like वो उनको every time it's like a dopamine hit for them.
Correct.
We're like bro ये sync हो गया bro this sounds like it bro. ये
वो
ऐसी
feel है, वो बता,
हाँ,
feel है, like
हाँ.
sometime like when you're cutting a music video and you drop a random clip and place on the timeline and it fits like
yeah. फिर वो
इसको
एक
मत हिला,
करता रहता हूँ मैं
इसको
2
मत हिला
घंटा.
भाई, इसको उधर ही रहने दे, हिट कर रहा है.
मेरान से बात कर. मेरान, actually you should get Meran on the podcast.
Yeah?
He's one of the best editors I know. मैं हम लोग बैठ के एक फ्रेम का टेंशन लेते हैं कि वो अगर वो फ्रेम समझ कि वो हिट का बात है.
हाँ.
कभी हम लोग कुछ तो आई थिंक वी स्पेंट 4 hours on that cut बिकॉज वो हिट प्रॉपर टाइम पे नहीं आ रहा था. तो हम लोगों ने 4 घंटा बैठ के डिसाइड किया कि वो कैसा पार्ट में अटकना चाहिए. कभी आउट ऑफ सिंक चला जाता है मेरे दिमाग में जब देखता हूँ.
हाँ.
कभी सिंक पे रहता है, लेकिन वो 4 घंटा हम लोग बैठ के सोच रहे कि कैसे करे वो एक फ्रेम या 2 फ्रेम का बात है, पीछे ले रहे आगे ले रहे, पीछे ले रहे आगे ले रहे, ओके दिस वर्क्स, लेट्स मूव ऑन.
But does your editor also is a part of pre-production when you're making this?
No. So this project actually 3 people edited, bro.
Yeah.
So first it went to Rishabh Shetty, our legend, अपना ad industry का legend है वो. So he did a first pass and then I went to him second session किया हम लोग ने, and then he was busy so he could not do the rest of the cut. So
He's a busy man.
Yeah, he's a quite a busy man. So I was surprised that he decided yes also, but he did it for me. And then Rohan Johnson sat on it because I was in Delhi shooting. So I told him like I always make a base cut. आफ्टर शूट इज डन मैं खुद का बेस कट करता हूँ कि ऐसा फ्लो है, अभी तुम लोग इसमें और चीज़ें डालो और मैं डिसाइड करूँगा क्या डालना है वहाँ. सो आई हैड 3 cuts in front of me and I went like I want this part, I want this part and I want this part.
So you basically gave a raw footage to all 3 of them.
Yeah.
And you chose the best of that.
Chose the best of all their cuts. And I felt like okay this works over here. And the thing was, all 3 were nice enough to like not charge me like shit. I would have been fucked. But all 3 were my, of course, all 3 of my close friends. Not close friends. Rishabh is not a close friend, but he's a friend. Like at least he was interested.
He appreciates a great project to be a part of.
Yeah. He did help a lot. But yeah, those 3, actually 4 editors then, including me, if you think about it. In the end, it just comes down to flowing it on the timeline and being like, okay, I like it.
The only thing I felt very amazed to see was the slow motion shot of him and the lip sync happening at the same time.
Yeah. वो तो कितना लोग करता है.
हाँ नहीं, but वो pace को जो break करता है,
वो
that is
necessary
the
था.
best part.
Necessary था वो.
बहुत necessary.
पहले वो it was supposed to be a one shot.
Oh, is it?
It was supposed to be a shot that comes into him, then starts following a car. ठीक है. Then Suraj runs and comes this side, and then we end it with him giving the tali to the guy. But I couldn't take that one shot because Suraj was tired and he had to navigate the entire circle and run and all. So it was too risky.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, I'll take 3 shots. First one will be the vibe of you establishing yourself, talking about your hands. Second will be the fact that your hands are moving like this. Third will be a match cut of your hand, and then the fourth will be the timing of the hit of the
Tali.
cut. Yeah. तो उसको भी पेस करना पड़ा. वो cut बहुत मुश्किल था because I wanted to cut on the ting part.
The BTS is not out.
No, there's no BTS.
You're not doing your BTS.
There's no BTS. Why to tell you how to do it?
Please यार, come on.
No.
People ask for a
क्या को
BTS.
बताओ? मेरे को पैसा कैसे मिलेगा?
BTS के लिए कोई पैसा देता भी नहीं है.
नहीं मतलब BTS का नहीं रे, मतलब देख लेगा ना कैसा किया. ऐसा बहुत है इंडिया में. मेरे को भी करना है पापा. वैसा बहुत है.
But यार,
अभी भी देख तू मेरा कुछ देख ऐसा एक बताता है रुक मैं. एक ऐसा 1-2 डायरेक्टर लोग हैं जो मेरा 3 अलग-अलग म्यूजिक वीडियो को लेके एक म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाया उन्होंने. इधर देख वापस देख. वो 3 अलग-अलग मेरे म्यूजिक वीडियो बना, उसका मिला के उसने एक मस्त एकदम मसालेदार म्यूजिक वीडियो बनाया. मेरे को अच्छा लगा लेकिन वेरी इट्स फ्लैटरी टू बी ऑनेस्ट.
guess. Guys, guess. नहीं तो मैं लिख दूंगा. But what are your future plans? I'm not saying your future projects. What kind of projects you want to be a part of?
What kind of projects I want to be a part of? I'm not sure, man. I just know I'm trying to discover this narrative side of me which I haven't yet.
Like a long format?
No, I don't want to call it a long format also. Like this, I don't want to stress myself out with that term.
Can I stress you more?
हाँ करना.
Why don't you do something a docu-drama kind of a thing?
Docudrama.
I think you'll be great.
I want to tell a story, but I want to know a story before that. So, like उसके लिए रुका है मैं अभी. बस एक कहानी पता चलेगा तब जाके कहानी लिखूंगा मैं. क्योंकि मेरे को कभी-कभी डर लग रहा था कि खुद के बारे में कैसे लिखूं. क्योंकि मेरे अभी recently I met a director who saw the video and called me over to just have a chat with me. Big director, I can't say his name. So I met him and I chilled with him and he was just like, why aren't you writing films and all this? Yeah. So I was like, I don't know, like I haven't found an idea yet that I want to write and all. He was like, you should start writing and all that. Then I was telling him about my life story. I'm like, your story is right there. I met the director and he was just like, I told him my life story. Like I was just telling him how I grew up and all that. Like तेरा कहानी इधर है. बोला मैं सोच नहीं सकता हूँ मैं खुद के बारे में. Because usually क्या रहता है ना ये शॉर्ट फिल्म वाले लोग क्या like it's so fuck all and boring man. तो मैं ऐसा शॉर्ट फिल्म फेस्टिवल में जाता आधा टाइम तो 10 मिनट का शॉट एक ऐसा वो गली का रहता है. वो चल रहे हैं उन लोग बात कर रहे हैं ऐसा चिड़िया उड़ रही है ये हो रहा है और वो बैठ के बात कर रहे हैं एकदम सीरियस टॉपिक के बारे में. मेरा जिंदगी झंड है ऐसा कॉन्वर्सेशन चालू और ऐसा लेसन बताएगा एंड में कि हाँ ये होता है. मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी.
स्कूल वाली फीलिंग आ जाती है
एकदम like literally Indian short films feel like that. I haven't seen, actually I am also being ignorant. I have seen some really good ones. But you know what I mean, like मैं हूँ पापा ने बोला मैं फिल्म मेकर बन सकता हूँ.
पापा ने पैसे खर्च कर दिए.
खतरनाक वाला like टब में ऐसा बैठा हुआ है कोई तो ऐसा मर्डरर पानी के अंदर और ऐसा पानी के अंदर जाता फिर ऐसा वाला सीन्स.
And I know what kind of a grade they will do.
एकदम नियॉन पिंक कलर डालेंगे उन लोग एकदम.
वो सबका सेम लटी है पता है. बच्चों को भी मिलता है.
वही ना मतलब like there's nobody like everybody I feel like there's such a dissociation to art and personal like gratitude. Like gratitude is the wrong word, but like majority of people filmmakers I've seen, I see on Instagram the way they talk about anything or like anything they matter themselves more than their work in some ways, if you know what I mean. Like there is an identity of a director which is more important to them than the work doing anything for them. Like I've seen so many directors like that where जो they love talking about being a director. उनको बहुत मजा आता है. Like उनको इतना
मैं director
हाँ मैं हूँ मैं हूँ ऐसा बात करने का उनको मजा आता है. But like as soon as you have something substance based, it's the most like inspired thing possible. ये करेंगे वो करेंगे. मैं ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बहुत like I'm fucking good at what I'm also trying, but I get annoyed. So my coping mechanism in life is to criticize.
How do you keep yourself grounded?
I shit on myself like a lot. Not really, but
right
like,
now you must be on you must have your DM full. तो call message आ रहा होगा.
I keep my phone notifications are off.
हाँ.
I don't want to see because मेरे को डर लगने लगा फिर परसों because it reached like Noah Centineo shared it. Then I was just like, what the fuck is happening? Then Dave Free texted fucking Abhinay. Dave Free, Kendrick Lamar's fucking director, texted my DOP. Then fucking what is that? Zane Lowe liked the fucking video. Then after that, Project Pat, the fucking rapper today reshared it. academics, that Drake ka that chua, fucking no, I love you, bro. Thanks for sharing the video, by the way. So he also shared it, and I was just like, ये क्या हो रहा है? What the fuck is happening?
It's a whole new world.
Arjun Kapoor reshared it. Arjun साहब,
दादा.
दादा. But yeah, there's like ऐसा बार बार हो रहा था. मैं बोला, फिर मैं नम हो गया. मैं बोला यार ये ड्रीम है, ये नहीं हो रहा है. मैं सो जाता है चल.
But you being a director, this must have been a new world opening for you. This is a new gate opening for you. अब सब तेरे बारे में बात कर रहा है. You are the talk of the town, 110%.
अरे but
I can call anybody and say कि विजय का लेटेस्ट काम क्या देखा क्या बोल, सब एक ही बोलेंगे आग लगा दी. But what is happening to you right now?
nothing. I'm as broke as before.
ये उसका पैसा दे दो यार.
नहीं अंडरकट करना पड़ेगा ना. आप लोग ऐसा कम बजट देता है, जूम इन करना ये पार्ट में, इतना कम बजट देता है हमको, अंडरकट करना पड़ता है. हम लोग को तकलीफ हो रहा है, आप लोग की वजह से ही हो रहा है ना.
If I have to make a reel on this, whom do all to tag? Because this undercutting thing is
Massive.
for real.
अरे मैं अचानक देख रहा हूँ मेरे कुछ डीओपी फ्रेंड जो इनको इतना तकलीफ हो रहा था, अचानक उन लोग जो कम प्राइस वाले है ना, एकदम लाइक दैट डूइंग
सब काम कर लिया उन्होंने.
बैडेस्ट वर्क. लाइक मैं कैसे करूँ यार.
बट इट्स अ फेज, पता है ना, ये 6 महीने का फेज है और ये जिस दिन खत्म होगा आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते उसके बाद.
मतलब
You are now sustaining or burning yourself to do a lot of projects because you're charging less. After a certain time, when you want to go premium, you can't go premium. That's the worst thing with them.
yeah.
That happened with in live event filming photographers as well, like who used to do all these concert photography. They are started undercutting. Now nobody is getting paid जितना उन लोगों ने मांगा. तो ये
तो
same है ना.
अमेरिकन अप्रोचेस देख, सिंपल एडिट, सिंपल कट्स के लिए कितना चार्ज करते हैं उन लोग. उनका $200,
But it's a hourly
$180.
rate. उनका hourly rate है.
हाँ, मतलब यहाँ पे वो उस नाम का चीज है ही नहीं.
उधर we can't go to hourly rate फंडा in
है ही
India.
नहीं. अभी क्या that's what I'm saying ना, everybody is a filmmaker ना. मतलब उसमें कितना exhaustion रहेगा. अभी भी मेरे को वही टेंशन होता रहता है कि भाई कितना लोग कर रहा है. वो 3 Idiots ने पूरा लगा दिया अपना. But yeah.
But do you, like, are you that guy who loses his shit when you don't have a project in hand, or you are that person that
No, I am happy when I don't have, then I can, but I need to have enough money before that.
of course.
So what I do is I segregate my time 2 months and 2 months. 2 months I do only commercial projects.
हाँ
2 months I do only projects with my friends that I want to. तो अभी 1 महीना हो गया, दूसरा वाला भी फ्री वाला दोस्तों के काम का
time है.
बाकी है. तो क्योंकि that's the only way you can show personality in your work. तब तक personality आता नहीं है.
Which is this one project, commercial project you didn't like?
I can't talk about that. मेरे को पैसा कमाने का है. क्या आदमी है?
यार यही तो गॉस था यार पूरे लाइफ में. पॉडकास्ट वेस्ट हो गया, कितना अच्छा
पैसा
है.
कमाने का था मेरे को यार.
But ठीक है, one of the project where you think you didn't do justice, it's your fault.
Lot of them.
Name one.
Badshah one I didn't do well. Skyline is not shot well according to me. Like I didn't do a good enough job at like designing that shot. Then which else? King ka start one I didn't shoot well.
Intro.
That wasn't done well
But
according to me.
You didn't had that much time.
But come time tha, but I could have done better. I didn't do good on that. Then there's a lot of projects like that. Like every project I find a weakness. Damn Son also that. Big Dogs also have quite a few scenes which I'm like, क्या कर रहे हैं लोग?
Is it because of the time you didn't get to prep, or is it something you couldn't do?
If you have
It was
one
not
day
in
to
your
shoot
control.
that entire video, bro, what else will you do? You have to let go sometimes. You have to be like, okay, fine. I want a finished project rather than like an incomplete project. ना, I'll keep moving on. I'll try my level best to get the most out of it. एक दिन में अगर इतना ये पूरा वीडियो बनाने का है, then you have to push through and be like, make the right decision at the right point. Sometimes you have to compromise and move ahead, na.
So, seeing you, there's a different concept working with people, right? People approach you because they want direct, like a label or an artist. Usually, it's the other way around. Production houses come to the picture director and they take them on board and they create the whole masterpiece. इधर थोड़ा उल्टा scene है. So, do you have an upper hand in conversation when talking to a producer with ideas?
Because I've worked hard to get that upper hand.
True.
Matlab, I want to be able to have an identity of myself which will like demand somebody to want to work with me. Otherwise, what's the point?
So Vijay Shetty as a director, music video director, is going to do something else in his career, or it's
म्यूजिक वीडियो डायरेक्टर तो नहीं हूँ मैं, डायरेक्टर हूँ, इतना मुझे मालूम है.
हाँ, sorry, I cliched it to a
हाँ
certain.
हाँ.
You're a
But I
director,
love music.
but you do a lot of different stuff. You do ads, commercial work.
Yeah.
You
I
do a
don't
lot of stuff.
I don't upload any of that.
हाँ, I know. I've
Yeah.
seen nothing of yours getting uploaded. Just sometimes you share on your stories.
हाँ.
It's just there for 24 hours.
नहीं,
And
because
it
I
dies.
feel like that is too because it's not me doing the
Your
entire thing.
character,
Na.
you are.
It's just the client being like, I want it to be more cringy. So I'll be like, okay, you're going to pay me, but she's just like, yes, I'll pay you. I'm like, okay, come, let's do cringy shit.
Okay.
It's usually the ad.
You don't like.
I try my level best. I'll be like, it's about the integrity of the brand, but I want it. Okay, okay, let's fucking move on. Let's get this shit done, bro. You'll pay me right after shoot immediately 50% I asked for.
और बाकी 15 दिन बाद दे देना जो नहीं आएगा.
No, if a brand trusts me, I love it. I love working for them.
Yeah.
If a brand lets me do what exactly I want, I will give them the best possible product.
100%.
I'll
I
be
understand as a creative person that's doing justice with your work, you also want to deliver the best to the brand.
Yeah.
You don't want to do something for your own self, right? You're aligned with the idea कि brand को क्या चाहिए और वो कैसे सही लगेगा.
नहीं अभी क्या है यार ब्रांड में अभी भी मैं आई वाज ड्राइविंग बाय मैं देख रहा था साला रास्ते पे भी ना आराम से चला नहीं सकते गाड़ी उधर भी ऐड हर जगह ऐड
The whole airport road is a branding road.
या सो आई वाज जस्ट लाइक कि भाई मेरे को स्काईलाइन देखने का साला दीपिका पादुकोण का कैसा हंच्ड ओवर क्यों देखूं मैं क्या हो रहा है ये फुल ऐसा फेंटी लाइक उसका चालू है वो एंड यू आर जस्ट लाइक व्हाट द फक व्हाई द फक एम आई वाचिंग दिस कंसिस्टेंटली तो मेरे को ऑलरेडी हेटरेड रहता है वो चीज के बारे में अगर लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल इफ देयर इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ आर्ट इन योर एड if it's not cringy and it's evoking some sort of thought and not just selling something, then it's like, fuck, I want to do it. I have found a client like that, which is Bhavya Ramesh, who lets me do whatever the fuck I want.
Actually, it's his attribute of the brand also from her brand from the start. I have seen her previous campaigns to the one which you did.
I did all her campaigns.
Even the previous one also?
Yes, I've done all her. From the start, I've worked with her.
I thought the latest one is just
No,
done well.
all of them are mine. All of the campaigns I've
So I'm a fan of yours now. Hey, तारीफ कर दी, शर्मा जाएगा.
कौन सा वाला देखा तूने?
The first one I need to.
You mean the juice के साथ हाँ वो उंगली वाला वो सब cuts मेरे पेज पे भी है. बहुत खूब वाले cuts. हाँ. I've done that, yeah. I've done all those videos. I only have done. So I love working with her because she's somebody who's queer centric first of all. She focuses on queer identity. She wants to promote it. And in the Indian context, it's never been done. What is this jewelry fucking ads half the time? मेरी बेटी मंगलसूत्र लो.
It's either marriage or either Diwali.
पहन ना मंगलसूत्र पहना. हाय कितनी सुंदर लग. That's your ad half of the time. It finishes there.
The worst.
नहीं ऐसा खड़े रहती हो पीछे. मालूम है ना वो ads कैसे रहता है ऐसा? ऐसा पकड़ के.
The worst kind of. I recently got a brand brief in the same zone because Diwali is around the corner.
हाँ. मिठाई के साथ आ रहे सब.
मिठाई के साथ एक ज्वेलरी फ्री है. मैं बोला अबे कांडू दिवाली है मिठाई तो खत्म करो.
That's what I'm saying ना. It's so like because there's such a autopilot to it ना.
It's very easy.
कितना autopilot है वो like it's just like ad industry is the most like हाँ I want to sell. But like for example, we are also trying to sell an artist.
True.
Right? But we're doing it in an emotional way. We are making him feel like he's bigger than life. We are making him feel identified कि सब लोग उधर देख के बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे को करने का है. I want to rep him. I feel like he has my attention. I want to respect him. To do that is work. It's to be more human. But we make it more inhuman ads half of the time. क्या करते हैं हम लोग? Humanness निकाल लेते हैं. वहाँ से कि ये देखो ये रहा आपका चमकीला एनिमेशन ब्लू ग्रीन लाइट येलो ब्लू
and that's 90% of the market.
हाँ खाओ पियो यही करो.
Straight up selling the product
तूने
without.
जिंदल स्टील का ऐड देखा?
नहीं.
ब्रो तुम लोगों ने देखा जिंदल स्टील का वो ऐड? गाइस
क्या है?
सब लोग जाके देखो.
जिंदल स्टील का.
हाँ ब्रो.
मत वो तूने किया?
हाँ
तूने किया?
मैंने नहीं किया ब्रो. मैंने नहीं किया. It's brilliant but like there's this one I saw it and I was just like awestruck. Like I was just like it's such a beautiful ad. He's just showing metal in different. Of course that's artsy stuff. It's not like I'm not going to deny there is another art to ad filmmaking only. But that's still just nice and refreshing to see bro. Ads एक time में कितना iconic रहने का यार. तुम लोग को सबको याद था एड्स, यू ऑल यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट इट, एड्स याद है तुम लोग को?
Oh, dude.
क्या खतरनाक एड्स थे वो। आजकल क्या करते हैं हम लोग,
Centerfresh.
रणवीर सिंह ऐसा खचाक वाला कपड़ा पहन के आता है, बोला नूडल्स,
Chings.
यस लेट्स बाय इट।
Did you see the new Bold Care वाला ad?
ब्रो मेरे को
Johnson's.
आमिर का एड नया वाला मस्त लगा, दर्शीत सफारी के साथ। ब्रो दैट वाज सो नॉस्टैल्जिक। वो बस ऐसा था, उसके दांत सीधे हो गए बाय द वे, बट वो दर्शील भाई आए, एक सांस अंदर, नहीं वही है ना, वही है ना, एक सांस बाहर, वो देखो 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 देखो।
If Baba Sehgal approached you to do a music video,
क्यों नहीं करेगा?
करेगा?
करेगा 100% करेगा।
Baba Sehgal.
बाबा भाई, लेकिन मेरे को करने दो जो करना है वही,
But
बस उतना, just that much।
I'm vouching for this. I want to pitch you to Baba Sehgal.
मैं तो कर दूंगा यार,
मैं pitch करेगा.
चल आई डोंट माइंड,
Done.
करते बाबा सागर को, लेकिन बात करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन बाबा
क्रिएटिव फ्रीडम चाहिए.
हाँ बस
ऐसा-
इतना चाहिए आपको, आप हमको बस करने दो एंड वी विल मेक श्योर इट लुक्स गुड।
Done. But यार,
उसको भूल गया क्वेश्चन क्या है नेक्स्ट, वो ऐसा बट
because it was not written. अब मुझे बाबा सहगल याद आ गया अचानक से, मेरी नॉस्टैल्जिया बोला तो. So I'm like, fuck, बाबा सहगल and Vijay Shetty would wonder. मतलब मेरा नॉस्टैल्जिया, मेरा पूरा मॉडर्न.
उधर भी दिमाग में आ गया ऑलरेडी क्या होने वाला है, तू ही प्रोड्यूसर है फिर भाई, मेरे पहले ही उसको मालूम है क्या करने वाला हुआ है।
सेट पे जो कल्चर रहता है ना, प्रीवियसली इट यूज्ड टू बी वेरी शिटी. गाली गलौज, एकदम
मजा आने
गंदा
लगा।
बिहेवियर. तो तेरा क्या टेक था?
और वो गाली गुलिस में क्या मजा था, क्या दिन थे वो। अभी मैम यू कैन नॉट टॉक टू मी लाइक दैट, आई एम गोना गो विद माय फ्रेंड, गो फॉर अ डेट एंड देन कम एंड सिट एट आवर मीटिंग, इट्स माय टाइम।
But will you ever, if Bijoy would have joined a corporate office?
I would most probably killing myself right now.
Sir, up the side. हो.
I would most probably kill myself. I would have just been so depressed. I don't know. I don't like listening to what other people tell me. I was supposed to be in the army also, ना. हाँ, तो मैं आर्मी में रहने वाला था, लेकिन नहीं हुआ because I didn't like the authoritativeship and like the idea of dictating war in any way. So I just left that, and then here also I felt like अगर, but like I don't want to be in a setting where like ऐसा creatively सोच, मतलब मेरे को सोचने देना जैसा सोचने का,
मेरा काम है वो.
मेरे को करने दे जैसा करना है।
True.
मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ
You
जितना भी
throw
हो रहा
money,
है।
dude.
हाँ?
तू पैसा फेंक, मैं काम करेगा अपना.
हाँ मतलब like it's just that to find the right people is what is scary about it, but like कभी कभी opportunities आ जाते हैं which are just mad, there's money in it, there's everything, it's the most pathetic thing to do, but और मेरे को कभी कभी करना पड़ता है, कभी कभी मना कर सकता हूँ, कभी कभी करना पड़ता है, just to be like okay fuck मेरा 2 महीना चलेगा तब जाके मैं अपना काम कर पाऊंगा।
You need to have a sustainable model
Yeah,
for
but
your
they also
own.
should understand if these producers, I'm so sorry, if the producers allow you to fucking work, then I'll do whatever I want. Even if those money wala people also there, they give it a little bit of space for some sort of creativity to be accommodated, that will be better for us.
100%.
हाँ.
But ये सब के चक्कर में you have worked with a lot of artists, but it's not the major shareholdings. आपने सबके लिए काम नहीं किया.
मेरे को नहीं पसंद है।
हाँ, पर यदि कोई एक आर्टिस्ट जिसके साथ काम नहीं किया है और करना रहा, कौन रहेगा?
बहुत है यार।
One name. I don't want plenty of names. Just one name.
मेरे को तू mainstream बोल रहा है?
Anybody. I don't want a mainstream or underdogs. I just want to say an artist.
Indian?
A talent. Yeah. Let's do one Indian and one international.
Indian यार, चार दीवारी है। उसके साथ तो I already was working with him for a video right now, but that I cancelled that because I wasn't working out.
Love Sex.
हाँ, that one, yeah. I've written half of that script also.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet.
So
He's releasing.
he's coming out. It's coming out
15th
now.
August, ना?
Yeah. So I've
उसकी
written.
सबसे बड़ी फैन उधर ही बैठी है.
हाँ?
वो चार दीवारी बोल के खुश हो गई. Let's go.
उठाएगा तो अच्छा है।
बेइज्जती हो जाएगी नहीं तो.
नहीं यार, बेइज्जती तो हो जाएगी। मेरे को नहीं लगता उठाएगा। But I'll say hi. Wait. किधर है गर्व? हाँ, let me try. नहीं उठाएगा। निकाले यार गर्व।
क्या ये होने वाला है? क्या?
नहीं यार, मेरे को नहीं लगता उठाएगा। ट्राई कर रहे। हेलो। ओए, सुन। promote LSD right now. मैं podcast में हूँ एक.
हेलो दोस्तों लव सेक्स धोखा सॉन्ग म्यूजिक वीडियो आउट सून लव सेक्स धोखा
मिल गया bro. There's a fan of yours that loves you. Say hi. And she's excited about the video. मैं तेरे को call करता हूँ. चल. Bye.
So sweet. उसने उधर फोन निकाल के रिकॉर्ड करना चालू कर दिया. But crazy dude, crazy. चार दीवारी अपने में
He's
ही
so
कुछ
talented.
अलग है.
bro. He's so talented. We couldn't work because creative differences था. But there's some parts of the video that are mine also. But he's done I hope it comes out like soon because the song is also mad. I wanted to do that so bad, but I didn't have the time to also. I wish I would have done it. But he's directed it.
Oh, he himself.
He himself is a creative powerhouse, bro. He's very good at what he does. It's just about now maturing with that. You know,
There's
he's
one more personality, an artist who is a editor, musician, composer is Nuka.
कौन?
Anushka Manchanda.
हाँ. Yeah, I find her interesting. मतलब like yeah.
It's little different, but I like her.
It's electronic music, ना?
Electronic.
हाँ, वो
Yes.
ऐसा पानी में ऐसा डूब के ऐसा निकलती है ना?
Oh, I love that.
हाँ. I know those also.
Navzar
That one video I was just like, how did she shoot that? The water में, the entire thing. I think she had reached out long time ago.
It's a swimming pool. Basically.
It's a swimming pool, but it looks graded like in them like a khatarnak wala. I remember that seeing that video. I'm like, there's no video like this in India. Like, काफी unique.
उस time के हिसाब से that was one of my favorite
काफी unique
independent
था.
music video which I really used to flex to people that look my friend did this. So I was very excited like देखो भाई इसको standard बोलता हूँ.
मैंने उसका और क्या देखा वीडियो? मेरे को सिर्फ वाला वीडियो याद है. There's only one, what?
There is a lot with even Kam Bhari.
कौन?
काम भारी के
हाँ
साथ
हाँ,
भी
he is also mad. उसका भी initial videos. वो एक wrestling वाला एक baby वाला wrestling वाला एक वीडियो कुछ तो देखा था मैंने. दोनों नंगा ऐसा wrestle कर रहे.
मैंने
या फिर मैंने सपना देख लिया कोई तो. या फिर एक नया आइडिया मिल गया मेरे को अभी क्या.
Yeah, let's go. एक copyrights मैं इधर ले रहा हूँ इधर.
But yeah.
Like Indian, you said Char Diwali for international.
Char
Would
Diwali.
you be?
International, I want to work with so many, bro. I want to work with Ibrahim Malouf. He's this beautiful musician. I want to work with him so bad. I want to work with in Indian American brands. I want to work with 070 Sheikh.
Okay.
She's brilliant at what she does. I want to work with Lamar eventually if I can. Why not? Touchwood. All of you all touchwood. सर दीवार ऐसा मार लो सर मारो जल्दी मारो.
Bro, I pray for this.
I hope
I
bro.
pray.
I want to make. I just like the fact that he represent like the fact that recent shit that has happened.
Oh,
It is so beautiful
I'm
because
loving
it's he's the people's champion, and we realize that like no amount of pop or like this will make it. You know, it's only the real shit that will make it, and that's what happened.
he moved people, dude. He
He was just like, I'm just gonna be like. He just had fun with it, to be honest.
Oh,
And he
bro.
was prepped. The motherfucker was prepped, dude. He was just like, तूने गाना लिया, ले वापस एक और. ले एक और है ready मेरे पास. एक और. ये ले म्यूजिक वीडियो भी ले ले.
A reverse. Doffer. A lake or Doffer. Bro, he played.
No, he was just doing this, bro. He was literally just doing this. पॉकेट से निकाल के दिखा रहा था वो बार-बार.
भाई उसे गेम तो किया भाई उसे बहुत गजब गेम किया.
बेचारा ड्रेक क्या कर रहा रहेगा अभी. I hope he's okay.
Rest in peace, brother.
No, bro. ड्रेक भाई आप हो अच्छे हो. सॉरी देख वो फील ही आ गया. ये कर लिया मैं. आप अच्छे हो.
आप अच्छे हो.
ये इसका है. मेरे को काम चाहिए सर. God's plan, sir.
God bless. India में और which are the directors you really like in the scene? Who you think are doing a great job and
I don't follow a lot of directors because I don't want to look at them. I will see
into their work? in
No, I
terms
don't look at a lot of like people who are working in the same industry as me. I will watch things which people recommend me, but I will not like look out for like I don't follow a lot of them because I don't want to get influenced or get affected by what they put out. Because
of, I've seen something like
इधर उधर देखा है मैंने बहुत सारा which I like. I find it interesting. It's fun, but I'll never be like कि bro क्या खतरनाक बना है. Because I don't want to. Because I know if I like something, I'll try to
do this.
Not do the same thing, but like I will try. I will get inspired by it, which I don't want to be.
You want to be yourself.
Yeah, in the sense like I'll consume, but like I'll consume when it's coming into my way. अगर मैं Instagram पे वो दिख गया मेरे को, that's when I'll consume, and like I don't know, I won't like go out of the way and be like check everybody out. You know, who is there? Char is one. He's a great director.
Yeah.
He's so good at what he does. He's such a great director. He's there. Suraj is an incredible director when he becomes one. अभी सूरज ने तो अभी अनुराग कश्यप के साथ एक फिल्म बनाई है, आ रही है अभी राइफल क्लब करके.
2025. Is it? Oh damn.
Okay, if it's wrong, then they will put like something here. This is when rifle here, bro.
Okay.
हाँ,
Here.
here. हाँ.
कहीं इधर आ जाएगा, आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
But tell me something about the new things which are happening in the country, in the world, which is AI. सब AI कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तू क्या AI के साथ क्या AI कर रहा है?
मेरे को actually course करना है उसके बारे में भी.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
हाँ, it's necessary. We all should do one.
About what? How to
Just
destroy
how,
AI?
No, how to not how to destroy. How it does it work, and why does it work that way? Because it's going to be eventually become a huge part of our lives. I feel like किसी को movie देखने का है ना, वो लिखेगा romantic movie in Bombay, life in metro style shot, 1 hour duration, this and this with dialogue and a search, and you'll get a fucking film. Netflix वैसा रहने वाला है eventually. People are going to consume movie like that. I don't know what shape or form that technology is going to take into our lives. I think it's going to be tools first.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be enhancing a lot of like technical things in our industry.
Basically, a support system first.
Yeah. It'll make the infrastructure stronger, and then eventually become too intelligent for. But of course, it won't have what we have, which is just being human in the end. It won't have those qualities, but we will try to emulate it as much as we can, and that's when it'll become as it is right now, just a cesspool of the same shit. And there'll be a few people who will make different shit.
Fair.
Yeah.
But yeah, I feel right now AI is a good tool for wrapping the larger aspect into a faster way. Like making storyboards, just put a prompt, create it.
Definitely. That's what I'm saying. It'll become become tools first. It'll solidify your structure of, because AI implementation into autofocus will be great.
Great.
And even this already is such technology, but like there'll be so many things which will sort of like, for example, the volume that is being used. So that is also, if artificial intelligence is applied into that, where you can generate a world right there on like fucking what do you call that game engine? Unreal Engine पे तुमने like you fucking made a entire jungle setup like that, or you want an Indian road setup like that.
It's crazy.
Yeah, and then you can navigate that space, shoot over there. Budgets are going to get cheaper and cheaper. Eventually, I'm scared it won't happen, because I'm kind of scared about the fact that we as creatives will become like the theater of cinema. Like how लोग अभी भी theaters जो है वो लोग जाते हैं, पर ease of content, I don't want that to happen, because it will become too dystopian to me to consume like art which is made by a machine, but they'll promote it as this great prompt writer has written this. You know, they'll market it like that. He's good there. People are going to market it like that. Like this great writer has written by this. That's what.
The marketing.
Yeah, they will be pushing it like that, which is going to be exhausting eventually. But I don't know. We don't know what shape it's going to take. So it's better to keep learning. So when there was a wave of digital, one of my mentors told me specifically, anytime a new technology is placed into the industry, learn it ASAP. Because the people who used to cut on film and the people who cut on digital, the people who are stubborn enough to not cut on digital do not have jobs right now. They were not able to. You have to adapt, but also if you want to feel nostalgic and do those things, you can. But adaptation is very important. I feel like you have to, if you see new technology, research about it, study about it. Otherwise, there's no point, because you have to catch up with life. Life is not going to come over there and be like, this is how work is going to come to you, or like how you're going to feel about your art eventually.
I have an interesting question, because one of my friend is making an app. Okay, the app is basically going to help people discover each other, at the same time use the app to book equipments. Basically a LinkedIn and Zomato in one app for the industry. Do you think it will work?
An app that will connect. The thing about that is, I feel like that can be integrated into present social media also if they want to. Groups can be made, so it's a little isolated as an idea for it to work. Like if your market, like especially if you want to, like if you're talking about something like, what is that review wala rehta na? That website everybody uses.
Just Dial. नहीं.
क्या?
Just
नहीं,
Dial
reviews for films. Letterbox.
Oh.
See, Letterbox works because it's a social media platform that talks about films very intimately, and like if you add some elements like that, which is external, not just renting equipment, if you add what is the social media aspect of it, which is causing social media to exist, not just like मैं rent कर रहा हूँ दूसरे से बात करते, right? If you make it like, for example, right now, what I love is Blinkit. क्या है bro?
Nominate.
I can चड्डी से लेके toothbrush से लेके everything I can order from there.
Bro, you can order a PS5.
Yeah, I've ordered vacuum cleaners. It's such an and you're getting it right there. It's gonna fuck with Amazon so badly. Like the fact that it's such an interesting approach. So Swiggy ने चालू कर दिया फिर वो.
I
Swiggy
guess,
also
there's a rumor right now Amazon is buying Swiggy Instamart.
makes sense because they're gonna expand onto that.
Because they have the major shareholding of warehouses in the country.
I'm a big tech geek like this. I watch a lot of like
Same. I
industry
read-
stuff. Like I'm huge on design also. I'm huge on tech
Yeah.
in general. Like in terms of devices, new. I don't know. I like the idea of learning marketing and just people science through other brands because you understand where they're fucking up, why they're fucking up. If you see like that sort of हम लोग बैठ के फिल्म देखता रहता पूरा टाइम.
Yeah.
हम लोग को समझ नहीं आता कि वो बाकी सारे एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर क्या है जो एक ऑडियंस को इफेक्ट कर रहा है.
So apart from that, just to cut down, since you're techie, you would require something like this. This is a browser. Arc.
Looks very pretty by the way.
Like you can make your profiles just on a tab. You can like
तो टैब्स है बेसिकली.
हाँ आप उसको folder wise कर सकते हो. Like if I want to open some article, for example, like this, and I want to screenshot something, how usually we have to do is
Yeah.
you just go here, click it,
Very
copy,
interesting.
and just make a new one.
मेरे को सॉफ्टवेयर का लेकिन बहुत ये लगता है. I'm very critical about software
Yeah.
because I understand what's the point of a Instagram algorithm, why it's shaped like that, why people are navigating through that, why are the people stuck and constantly watching it? Because that movement is very natural. That movement of going up and just like the fact that you don't have a back button.
Yeah.
You have to go home directly. And home page, see like every single thing you open will show your reel. They're so fucking smart at their design that they want you on the app longer to Instagram
तो
खोलो.
कहीं भी घूम फिर के उधर ही जाएगा.
नहीं देख होम पेज पे गए. First thing you see a reel, you open the reel, you got done with it. Then you go down explore page. You went through the post, one more reel you found. ठीक है?
You go to stories.
हाँ, you go to your DMs. What are people sending you?
Memes.
Yeah, reels. And then anywhere, even if you go on your own reel and you start swiping enough, you'll go on to some other person's page. So it's such good design, such asshole designs that is.
The discovery algorithm is so weird that you will never leave the
Yeah, but
app.
that is what is it. Advantages also like वही उसी के वजह से आज सूरज का एक 1 million fucking views जब मैंने सूरज का कभी किया नहीं हो and I have videos which are 70 million also by the way but I'm more proud of this 1 million because it's natural.
I just want to take a real update on the music video. Oh, the first is a review. It's 1.8 million.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
एक दिन में 800,000. And if you see the comments, the most happiest I've been is, I am from Uganda. I am from here. I am from there. I'm like, bro, what's up, bro? What's up, either, huh?
Oh, fuck.
It's very sweet. Suraj is like, I know it. Suraj is going to be the next one, and I'm going to make sure I'm going to be the one
He
doing
has
it.
commented a day ago. Feel like the whole world came together here.
Yeah,
Love you
yeah.
all. Fuck, so sweet.
I love that man. He's so sweet. He's so talented. And I'm so proud of him right now that he's able to do all this.
2 more wins, yeah. 2
Yeah.
more wins. Thank you so much for doing this,
Yeah,
man.
of course, bro. Sir, ऐसे handshake करने हैं एक बार.
Yeah.
अरे properly करना left. अंडर बजे गोंड
This is a game which you have to do it for everybody.
हाँ.
You have to give 3 statements.
Hmm.
Out of 2 has to be truth
हाँ.
and 1 has to be a lie.
Hmm.
Everybody has to guess which is the lie.
Okay. You all should have given. अच्छा. ये सोचना पड़ेगा रे. Okay. 2 lies and 1 truth, ना?
2 truth, 1 lie.
2 truth, 1 lie.
And don't tell anybody which is the lie. People have to guess.
I have met Shah Rukh Khan. I have scuba dived. I have been shouted at by Anushka Sharma.
Nice one, yeah. Played smart.
बोलो क्या है? What?
Scuba diving is the lie.
Huh?
Scuba diving is a lie.
You think scuba diving is the lie? All of y'all think. Y'all are right.
अनुष्का शर्मा से गाली क्यों खाया?
मैं तो अभी BTS कर रहे थे bro. And उसके चेहरे के सामने Who is this? निकालो इसको. बोला sorry मैम मैं जा रहा हूँ. I want to tell her that story someday if I meet her. तो बोला अरे तू चिल्लाया तो मेरे पे.
How did you meet Shah Rukh Khan?
शाहरुख खान I was outside Yashraj Studios. And भाई अपना सिगरेट फूकने बाहर आया अपना बॉडीगार्ड के साथ छतरी के साथ. And he's just like समझो कि मैं हूँ इधर. I'm this tall. I'm like 6, okay? Shahrukh Khan is like. I'm just like, fuck bro, what the fuck is happening? Is this actually happening? And he's this fair guy, okay? And he walks also with like a peacock only he walks, bro. Like he has that fucking like vibe about him, bro. मेरा ऐसा धड़क क्या हो रहा है भाई ये? I'm just मैं ऐसा कभी सोचा नहीं शाहरुख खान को ऐसा देखेगा मैं. मेरे को ऐसा लगा ऐसे ही देखेगा मैं शाहरुख खान.
बड़ा भी ऊपर देखेगा.
Yeah, ऊपर ही देखेगा मैं. But he looked at when he went. I'm just like. But yeah. क्या और वापस?
शाहरुख खान fan?
हाँ?
अरे शाहरुख खान.
I am a big Bollywood fan, bro.
Yeah?
मेरे को बॉलीवुड से ज्यादा ही प्यार है. मैं बोला ना तेरे को.
आता है?
हाँ, क्या?
चिंता ता चिंता.
ऐसी है ना? रुक रुक. चल रेडी?
मेरे को नहीं आता.
चल ट्राई करेगा ना. रेडी?
हाँ.
1, 2, 3, go. छोड़ रही चल.
पैकअप
कर दिया इसने भाई ने.
यार नहीं होता यार अपन क्रिएटिव डे रहा. थैंक यू सो मच विजय. थैंक यू सो मच. लव यू मैन.
Of course. Thank you for having me, bro. वापस करेंगे एक और जब मैं बोलेगा भाई देखा इसने क्या बनाया.
क्या बना है?
क्या?
चुतिया.
भाई